Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made a stir-fry spaghetti. I hope you enjoy this. So first of all, we have our already chopped up carrots, green bell peppers and yellow bell peppers, and I already have my chopped onions and already chopped turkey. So for this meal, I chose to use a thinner version of spaghetti. It's called spaghettini. And I don't know why I'm calling it spaghetti. It's just something utterly sexy about saying spaghetti. Self spaghetti. Ignore me. It was advised that we should actually cook everything at once. So I have my water on the fire for the spaghetti. And I also have my oil on the fire. So once the water is boiling and hot enough, I would put it in my spaghetti. Also add salt to the spaghetti when you put it in boiling water. And on the other side of the cooker, I'll be working on my stir-fry mix. And once I see that it's hot enough, I put in my onion. Then start stirring. Stir, 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 stir. Then I add my seasoning cubes. I also add some curry and some thyme. And stir, 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 stir. I mean, it's called a stir fry, right? Just keep stirring. And then it's time to add the bell peppers. I added the yellow one first, no particular order. And I added the green one. And I added my carrots. And then stir, 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 stir. And after the carrots, continue stirring, 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 stirring. This video might come off as being annoying, but bear with me. Then I add my turkey. Remember I said I already had prepared turkey in the house, so I add that to the mix, and you know what comes up next. Stir, 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 stir. So I left the spaghetti to boil for about 5 minutes, and now that I see it's soft enough and not overly soft, I sieve it. At some point I had to change my frying pan because the one I was using before was too small for the amount of spaghetti I cooked. So I changed it to a bigger pan. Then you add your spaghetti to the stir-fry mix and continue the order of the day. Stir. So instead of adding meat stock, I decided to add extra seasoning to my mix. So I added salt, pepper, my curry, thyme, and another seasoning cube to make, we like it spicy, so to make it a little bit more spicy. And voila, this is it. And then we fried a lot of plantain to go with it, and it came out yummy. It was really lovely. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click subscribe, like my video, and share with your friends and family. Thank you very much for watching, and I promise I'll try and upload more. Thanks for watching. Bye.